With the easing of restrictions on tourism, how will the hospitality industry regain public confidence? We find out now from Christine Ibarreta, President of the Hotel Sales and Marketing Associations. Christine, thank you so much for joining us on The Final Word. Hotels in GCQ, MGCQ areas may now soon open at full capacity. Have you already been told in private by the Department of Tourism when you can start operating?
Hi, good evening, Rico. As of today, we have not been advised yet. We are excited and waiting for the guidelines to reboot and to restart tourism because we badly need the full operations of our hotels so that establishments can, restart again and employees will have to go back to work again.
I know millions of our kababayans are in the hotel and travel industry have been sidelined due to this 7-month-old pandemic and lockdowns. But in your view, Christine, are hotels ready? If, let's say, the DOT says you can operate 100% by next week?
Yes, we are ready. We have been practicing for the past 7 months. We are adhering to the strict implementation of health and safety protocols, and most of the Hotel Sales and Marketing Association hotels are really very. We are very strict in implementing that because we are all afraid to take out the DOT will take out our licenses or accreditations if we don't do that. So it's an assurance that we are very safe and ready for the full capacity of opening the hotels.
But will you be bringing back a lot of the employees who were either sidelined, who have lost their jobs, or were temporarily relieved from their jobs because of this pandemic?
Honestly, Rico, we can't do that. We have to do it in phases because we don't have that much, revenues as of now. But, maybe phase 1, this last quarter, we can get some people to go back, and then maybe by next year. So they just have to wait. And at least we are going to restart. So that's good news for all of us.
So currently, tell us, Christine, most of the hotels are operating in what type of capacity at this point?
For the mandatory hotels, the Metro Manila hotels are quite like in the 50s, 60s occupancy levels. And the other hotels in the provinces are like probably less than 50%.
Currently, the Department of Tourism may be giving 100% operational capacity. But what is your sense of the situation right now? Are Filipinos ready for staycations?
If they have the money, why not? They're ready for staycations. In the past, maybe for the past 7 months, they have saved much money. They can pay for the antigen testing, and the room rates of the 10+ hotels have been given a staycation certificate. There are really some Filipinos who are itching to go out of their homes, apart from their bedrooms, the sala, the kitchen. They want to go to the hotels and be served, try the buffet again, pampered. They, I think, miss that.
But won't your rates increase, Christine, the industry in general? As you mentioned, you are following very strict health protocols, sanitation, safety. Won't this add to your overhead, and this will be transferred to your guests who will be going on a staycation at the hotels of their choice?
There's a little bit of increase because it's mandatory for hotels to have sanitation kits, like alcohol, everything. It has to be sanitized. But, if you really want to go out on staycation, you're willing to pay the price. Mm-hmm. You're willing to really pay the price. In fact, there are a lot of Filipinos booking in advance in staycation hotels.
So this could see once the 100% operational capacity is implemented by the Department of Tourism, we could also see close to 100% occupancy for most of the hotels?
It depends on the way that they're going to market it. Maybe from different provinces, if they can come back to Manila, or from Manila they can go to like the nearby Tagaytay or other places in Baguio. But hopefully it will be 100%. But as of now, we'll do it slow but sure.
All right. Thank you so much for your insights, and all the best with this latest directive of the Department of Tourism. Christine Ibarreta, the president of the Hotel Sales and Marketing Association.